Hi there. Are you looking for a complete web development course? Do you want to progress from basic to advanced concepts in the form of exciting and practical examples? My name is Isam, and I have packaged years of experience into this comprehensive web development course, which will take you step by step from zero skills to a cash earning web developer. The course is fully projects oriented, and you will be using concepts you will learn in each chapter to build professional projects that you will be confident to set live using the provided free web hosting. This includes stunning websites with outstanding decoration, interactive games, responsive websites with advanced features, interactive apps, database-driven websites with advanced features like login or sign-up forms, apps for the Google and iOS app stores, and much more. By the time you complete the course, you will have a solid portfolio of over 15 professional websites, games, and mobile apps. You will also master over 10 modern web technologies, and as a bonus, you will get access to even more technologies and projects constantly being added to the course. So, what are you waiting for? Join me today and let's start this exciting journey together.